ever wished there was an easy way to automate your trading strategies without breaking the bank or spending hours learning to code? You're not alone. Many traders struggle with the idea of algo trading because it seems to be too technical, too expensive, or too complicated. But what if I told you there was an easy way to jump in and start algo trading right now without needing any coding skills? So in today's video, we are diving into QuantMan's basic plan designed specifically for the traders like you who want to start automation but without the headaches. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to level up, a complete beginner just getting started, then this plan has everything that you need to get your strategies up and running quickly and easily. So let's break it down and see how this plan could be a perfect starting point in this algo trading. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. This QuantMan Basic plan is more than the fast execution. It is a comprehensive suite of trading tools. From backtesting and paper testing to seamless order execution, you have everything you need to automate, refine, and deploy your strategies. Whether you are starting out or a seasoned pro, QuantMan provides all the tools you need to trade efficiently and confidently. No hidden costs. Some platforms may offer an attractive low price at first, and you think you are getting a good deal with access to some features for a great price. But once you are in, you will quickly find yourself frustrated by additional payments required to the third-party vendors. But QuantMan is something different. With Basic Plan, you will get a straightforward price that covers all the algo trading tools that you need. No extra charges, no third-party payments, just everything you need in one simple plan. What you see is what you get, making it simple and affordable to start trading with all features that you need. Industry-best order execution speed. What sets QuantMan apart is its industry's best execution speed. Even with the basic plan, your trades are executed under 100 milliseconds, ensuring you never miss a market move. This ultra-fast execution gives the edge in volatile markets with minimal slippage and maximum accuracy. Whether scalping your strategy or trading at high speed, you will always be one step ahead. Basic plan, you will get 4 live deployment credits. This means you can run up to 4 different strategies in the live market at the same time. For beginners, this is a game changer because it gives you the flexibility to test multiple strategies and also see how they perform without risking your capital. You can experiment, tweak, and improve as you go, all with minimum risk. Ample backtesting capacity. This basic plan comes with 250 backtest credits. Backtesting is a critical part of algo trading because it lets you test your strategies against historical market data to see how they would have performed in the past. With these 250 credits, you have plenty of room to try out different strategies, refine your approach, and build confidence. No code strategy builder. I know the automation can sound intimidating, but with QuantMan, you don't need any programming skills to create complex trading strategies. The user-friendly interface makes it incredibly easy to build your strategies. Simply choose the condition, link them together, and hit deploy. That's it. Comprehensive educational resources. In QuantMan, we don't stop with offering an excellent algo trading tools. We go one step further and educate our users to become a better algo trader. If you are new to algo trading, then you will have the access of tutorials, webinars, videos, and sample strategies to guide you every step of the way. It's like having a trading mentor right with you, helping you learn the ropes and improve your trading skills along the way. And the best part, it's completely free, no additional charges. Affordable entry point. Lastly, let's talk about the cost. The basic plan cost is $1,300 per month. Plus, there is no hidden fees or complimented pricing structure, just a clear, simple plan that makes you advanced trading accessible to everyone. If you are ready to automate your trading and stop manually executing every single trade, the QuantMan Basic Plan is the perfect way to get started. With no code required, plenty of backtesting options, and a straightforward strategy builder, you will be a confident algo trader in no time. So why are you waiting? Head over to the QuantMan website to get started today. And make sure you subscribe to this channel to get tips, tutorials, and updates on how you can take your trading to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.